Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Southwest Sundays, and welcome to Bath. Bath is the only city in the UK to be designated a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. So today I've come to this beautiful city to have a little walk around and also to go on a short boat tour, and I'll take you along for the ride. I booked a combination boat and walking tour with Bath Adventures. The first part of the tour was a 25-minute trip up the river on a beautiful 1960s cruiser. Our skipper was really knowledgeable and he pointed out lots of interesting things to us, including the fact that there's a pair of breeding peregrine falcons in the spire of St John's Roman Catholic Church. He said that this year there were 4 peregrine falcon chicks. He also pointed out lots of other wildlife, including kingfishers. It was quite an experience being on the boat and reversing into the gushing water at the weir. This is the exquisite 18th century Pultney Bridge and it's lined with shops. All too soon we were back on dry land again and following our brilliant tour guide, Ollie. This gigantic plane tree was planted in 1793 and provides some wonderful shade in the city. It's situated in the beautiful Abbey Green area, right near the Abbey. The walls around this poster are not allowed to be cleaned to preserve the poster, which is an old milkmaid poster. If you're fancying a bit of relaxation or pampering, then why not head to the Thermize Bar? It's Britain's only natural thermal spa and it offers state-of-the-art spa facilities. The Cross Bath is an intimate open-air thermal bath, much smaller than the Thermize Bar. Next, we visit the beautiful Bath Abbey. You'll notice at the front of the Abbey that there's 2 ladders with angels going up and down. And it's said that the plans behind this design were first thought up by Oliver King, who was the Bishop of Bath, and he had a dream one night about angels ascending and descending above him. On our tour, we also went to have a look at the oldest house in Bath, Sally Lunn's Tea Room. It's also a bakery and a museum. The buns are very light and baked to Sally Lunn's secret recipe. This was me back in 2014, enjoying a cinnamon butter Sally Lunn bun. Oh, after all that wandering around, it was time for an ice cream and I had a chocolate and coffee one before continuing my walk around Bath on my own. I didn't go into the Roman bath this time, but here's a photo from another time when I went. Oh my goodness, I feel such a tourist wearing a sun hat, but I bought it because often my hair blows around quite a lot, especially in the wind, and I was thinking on the boat trip I might need it because I don't want to repeat the open top bus the other day when my hair was blowing everywhere. But I'm not sure, do you think this hat? Or do you prefer this wacky festival hat? Let me know in the comments which hat you prefer. Anyway, if you're enjoying this video, could I just ask you to give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to subscribe, I'd be very grateful of that as well. It doesn't cost you anything. So this is the circus, and now we're going to head down to the Royal Crescent. If you're a fan of the Netflix series Bridgerton, you'll definitely recognise the Royal Crescent. This is an iconic Bath landmark and comprises of 30 houses. Remember, I've also got a Facebook group called Southwest Sundays, and it would be great to have you join if you'd like to. Just hop on over to Facebook and search Southwest Sundays when you're finished watching this video. There's many attractions to visit in Bath. You could easily spend a few days here. I have lovely memories of being brought to a park in Bath when I was just a toddler. And I'm sure now that it must have been this park, because I remember it being on a hill, and this is quite up from the town on a hillside, so I reckon this is the park that I was brought to as a toddler. It's absolutely gorgeous. Loving the Jubilee colours here, red, white and blue. I absolutely love the design of this bandstand. If you're a Jane Austen fan, don't miss the Jane Austen Centre. There's lots of ways to see the city. You could book yourself a boat tour, or you could do a bus tour. You've got both city sightseeing and toot bus, and they're both similar prices. Or you could take a free walking tour from outside the Abbey, and here is a list of the times. There's absolutely heaps of wonderful places to eat in Bath, catering for all tastes, and lots of outside dining in the summer as well. This amazing piece of railway going into Bath Bar railway station was actually designed by Isambard Kingdom Brunel. Well, I'm just finishing my lovely day in Bath with a nice walk along the river in evening sunshine. It's gone 7 o'clock and it is still absolutely beautiful here. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and until the next one, I'll say goodbye. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.